Hello again, my brothers and sisters and in leather jackets and suits and the motorbikes. My name is Mikey. This is Yamaha R6 and we are having a special guest today. Right in front of me there is Mark on a Kawasaki Z800, which is pretty incredible. I have ridden this bike last year. It's in videos. It will be in a pop-up banner right up there at the top. Okay, so don't hesitate and check that out. It's pretty awesome bike. I hope it will be more comfortable than Super Sport, but you know, the truth is it's not as much comfortable as I thought. Like, the seat is fine, but you're stuck in one position, so you cannot move like in front and back. You cannot go in a tuck position like on a Super Sport when you have plenty of space to move your butt up and down, like, you know, forward and backward. On that bike you are just stuck in one position and you cannot really sit outside the seat, like, you know, to put your bum on one half of the seat, because there's a plastic, there's a fairing which is covering a tail, and that is not really allowing you to do that as a Super Sport, where you are supposed to move your body all over the place. Today we are heading somewhere outside of a city because my friend, he has some business to do outside. He has a package on his back, as you can see. Blonde hair, leather jacket, pretty incredible socks, as you can see right there. Those are the socks of a rider, right? So we are heading outside, and the purpose of this ride is also to have fun. So we'll see how it goes.